Have you ever noticed that you really don't take a look at your boundaries until they've been crossed? The beauty of betrayal, I know you're thinking like beauty, yes, everything crashes and you get to redefine everything, including your boundaries. So I like to do it in two ways. Number one, your boundaries, your own personal boundaries. You get to reset all of them. And the second way is boundaries for others. So for example, personal boundaries may be something like I really don't like scary movies. And I would just always go because I didn't want to disappoint anyone or whatever. And then after my betrayal, I was like, you know what? I don't like scary movies. I'm just not doing it. So a personal boundary is, you guys go have fun. I'm not going to go, right? An example. Another one would be, so for others, it may be something like if that person raises their voice, yells, curses, whatever bothers you, I'm going to leave the room. Maybe the old you would have tolerated, and the new you, the boundary is, I'm just not going to tolerate it. So two kinds of boundaries, the ones that you create for you and the ones that you create for others. I have so many resources in my bio. Hope that helps.